guys, need to show in this video how to do block mason work, concrete slab. You can see they put pressure treated 2x8 at the top for the roof trusses to be ready to install. Okay, you can see electrical conduits, how they notch the block. You can see different finish. So that's finished block, that's regular block. And here they put, look, they put weep holes. They put weep holes, okay? And metal flashing for mason work. It looks like same as bricks work. Okay, guys. Here you can see how they poured concrete for slab, you know. And they stopped here. That will be sidewalk here, sidewalk, and that's concrete slab. And the storefront, aluminum storefront will be here. And when they will put sidewalk, they will put expansion joint here, okay? And here you can see, like, they painted, you know, here, that's lintel, steel lintel, and you can see weep holes, each one block. Okay, here you can see, here that olive red bolt, you know. Same thing here, because there is some canopy will tie to this one. And here you can see the metal flashing, okay. So here you can see that is a precast concrete lintel, and that is metal lintel. Okay, so we have a precast and we have steel lintel, okay, to carry the block. Okay, they painted the bottom of the precast lintel with this one pink. Okay, here they have some mark in the wall. Same thing here. Okay, you can see some X mark here. Here you can see expansion joint. They didn't tie this wall with that wall. And here you can see that precast concrete lintel. Okay, and here they have steel lintel flashing and weep hole, same. And over here, same thing, bolt at the corner. Okay. Okay, here you can see that's expansion joint. So they built this one first, and then they built this one second. Same thing here. They built this one first, they built this one second. There is joint here, you know, big. You can see big joint at the bottom, small joint at the top. That's not good. Okay, same thing here. Same thing here. They built this wall first and this wall second. They should tie it, you know. There should be like Z bar here, Z bar here, you know, or dowels each two courses. You can see electrical conduit, plumbing. Okay, let's go to the outside. You can see that main water line, plumbing work. So you can see here metal flashing with weep holes, metal flashing. That's per drawing, you know, each project is different. Same thing here. You can see, because there is like there is a bracket. You can see there's a steel bracket. You can see there's a steel bracket. It came with 1, 2, 3 bolts. Same thing over there. So that's about the siding. And here you can see same thing. They stop the slab there. So concrete stop there. This door is open to the inside. This door is open to the inside. Okay, here you can see joint. They built this wall. Okay. Here they covered the electrical boxes. They covered the electrical boxes like this. You can see they cover it. So when they lay block, the mortar not go inside. Keep it nice and clean. Same like here. You can see that expansion joint here, expansion. So they built that wall continuous. Here you can see it is a precast concrete lintel from inside, and that's bond beam. And here steel lintel with the flashing. Okay, how they tie the bottom of the frame. So here you can see the details. So that is 4 inches, that is 2 inches of insulation foam, and then a block. Same thing here, precast concrete lintel, and here steel lintel with flashing. Here you can see plumbing conduit above. Okay, so there's some X mark over there. Okay, same thing, they covered the boxes, keep it clean. Okay guys, same thing here. You can see steel bracket here. There's expansion joint. That expansion joint stopped here. Should have started from this course, because that is the slab. So the control joint should be from slab all the way up. Okay, we need to take care of that and fix it. Same thing here, different kind. Also, that's the sanitary. They put a sleeve, SDR sleeve, 8 inches and 4 inches pipe inside. You can see the metal flashing, flash with the slab. Same thing here, steel lintel and weep holes. You can see over there plumbing, water line above the wall. Everything is good to go for roofing. Okay guys, this video about slab work, bricks, block work, framing, electrical and plumbing work. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.